Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to activate Incognito Mode so we can browse privately. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Chrome app on your phone. Then if you want to browse in Incognito Mode, we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then there will be several options for us, and we gotta click on New Incognito tab right here. Alright, and now we're in incognito mode. My screen is going to be black screen maybe because we can't do screen capture on the incognito mode. And now you don't have to be worried guys, because your browser will be private and other people can't track your browse history. Alright guys, that's how we can activate incognito mode in our phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video. Bye.